Hello everyone, this is the video about how to send and receive data at the same time in ESP32, and this video is principally continuance of the earlier videos. First one where there was one sender and one receiver, and the second one where one was sending and many were receiving. So let's look at the output. You can see that in one window the x value is 3 and 4, and the other window the x value is 1 and 2. So these are two ESP32s connected, and one is sending value 1 and value 2, the other one is sending value 3 and 4, and both are exchanging data at the same time. There's a 40-line code, and this is a mix of send and receive code from my earlier videos. So, but what you need to do is you need to remember that in each ESP32 code, the MAC address is different. And as you know, that we have to mention the receiver's MAC address specifically. So the sender will use the receiver's MAC address. So this has to be different. So if I compare the both code for both ESP32s, the only difference is the MAC address and the value of X and Y. So let's look at the code. We will start with the standard libraries, and then we will use the MAC address. So this has to be different. If I go to the data structures, you will notice that the X and Y value has to be changed, but I have defined two data structures, variables. One is data sent and the other one is data received, so I can choose them accordingly. And if I look at let's look at the further code. So the receiving and sent function is there. There is no change in the receiving function. The only variable name has been updated. On the sent side, I have added the Serial.println data sent line. So whenever the data is sent, this line is printed on the serial port. So if I further proceed and look at the setup, you will notice that now after initiating ESP, now I have both functions, send and receive, and then peer has been added. In the loop, all I have done is change the name of variable that data sent. Now data will be sent as data sent. Instead of earlier it was, I think, my data. And you can see that whenever data is sent, it is printed on serial port, and the data received is also mentioned there. I hope that this will be helpful for someone.